Sa second floor, dito meron siyang may window yung tawag dito. Dito niya, no, may window siya
for natural light.
For natural light. So you could also have your chandelier,
Light pendants.
So for our bedrooms, tatlo yung bedrooms natin sa taas. And one common toilet and bathroom. So to sum up, again for this property, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bathroom, and yun yung pinaka-summary natin. So, punta muna tayo sa master's bedroom. Okay. Sa master's bedroom, ito yan. Even the built-in cabinets are already included. And for the master's bedroom, meron tayong bonus na split-type aircon.
As well as TV.
And TV din. Yep. And for your master's bedroom, you have an access going to your balcony. So, ito. Cute lang siya na balcony na kung gusto mo lang mag-coffee dito, no? Tumambay ng konti. Kasi some of our clients, hindi naman sila normally nagtatambay with the balcony. Pero cute size lang yung balcony niya. No? So, master's bedroom, and then this will gonna be your second bedroom. So, sakto lang din siya, no? Especially for the startup family, no? Ayan. How about third bedroom, sir? Could you show them around?
So, here's our third bedroom. So, Alan mentioned na may mga built-in cabinets na rin. And then, actually, meron na rin bed frame and headboard each bedrooms. So, ayan, hindi nyo na po problemahin. Mattress na lang. Tanay ko lang.
Tsaka yung mga personal items, mga clothes nyo. So, almost fully furnished na siya. So, we're gonna pop up mga mattress. So, yun. Again, this is Gregoria model unit, which has 96 square meter of lot area and more or less 92 square meter of floor area. So, let's move forward sa Gerardo. Let's go!